Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Discord if you have forgot your password. So to get started, make sure you have installed the Discord app on your device. Once you have done it, click on Discord app to open it. Here you will see this kind of interface. Click on login. Now here click on forgot password option. Now they will ask for your verification code. Your verification code will be sent on the number you have added. Once you have added your verification code, you will be in a website where you can add a new password. So here add a strong password and continue it. Once you are done and you are good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.